Good day, everyone. Now, let's proceed to pronounce the final consonants. It pronounced as k, k, k for kill, kill, kill. So the first word g, g for gook, gook, gook. It is a country, gook, country. Check, check, check. In English, book, book, book. Byok, byok, byok. In English, kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Yak, yak. In English, medicine, medicine, medicine. Bag, bag, bag. In English, white, white, white. It pronounced as final N, N for nose, nose, nose. Sun, sun, sun. In English, mountain, mountain, mountain. Noon, noon, noon. In English, snow, snow, snow. Moon, moon, moon. In English, door, door, door. Dawn, dawn, dawn. In English, money, money, money. Son, son, son. In English, hands, hands, hands. It pronounced as final T, T for two, two, two. Ought, ought, ought. In English, clothes, clothes, clothes. Could, could. In English, flower, flower, flower. Beat, beat. In English, light, light, light. Kitten, kitten, kitten. In English, and, and. Nut, nut, nut. In English, daytime, daytime, daytime. It pronounced as final L, L, L for ladder, ladder, ladder. Mule, mule. In English, water, water, water. Mal, mal, mal. In English, horse, horse, horse. Dal, dal. In English, moon, moon, moon. Gill, gill. In English,